आज एक इंटरिम आदेश दिया है और उन्होंने कहा है कि जो मतदाता सूची से बाहर किए गए हैं उनकी सूची प्रकाशित होनी चाहिए 19 अगस्त शाम को 5 बजे तक। तो उच्चतम न्यायालय का जो यह आदेश है, इससे ये साफ प्रमाणित होता है कि उच्चतम न्यायालय इस मामले के प्रति पूरी तरह से संवेदनशील है। और हमारी जो कोशिश यही है कि जो संवैधानिक हक है लोगों का, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट, वोट डालने का, मताधिकार का, क्योंकि मैं उस समय भारतीय राष्ट्रीय छात्र संगठन NSUI का राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष था, जब हमने भारत के करोड़ों युवाओं को मतदान का हक दिलवाया था। 21 से जो मतदान की आयु सीमा है उसको घटाकर 18 वर्ष की थी। तो इसलिए हम मतदान के हक को समझते हैं और आज हमारी कोशिश यही है, ये जो हमने मार्च रखा है, मोमबत्ती मार्च, जो लकी जी जो हमारे अध्यक्ष है कांग्रेस के, उनके नेतृत्व में रखा गया है, उसका मकसद यही है कि संवैधानिक हक की रक्षा करें।
కాపాడాలి కాపాడాలి రాజ్యాంగాన్ని కాపాడాలి 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 రాజ్యాంగాన్ని కాపాడాలి బాబా సాహెబ్ అంబేద్కర్ జిందాబాద్ జోహార్ జోహార్ వి వాంట్ జస్టిస్ ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ డౌన్ డౌన్ ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ డౌన్ డౌన్ ఎలక్షన్ కమిషన్ बंद करो वोट चोरी बंद करो కాపాడాలి కాపాడాలి రాజ్యాంగాన్ని కాపాడాలి రక్షించాలి రక్షించాలి రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రక్షించాలి వి వాంట్ జస్టిస్ జోహార్ జోహార్
मेलेगा नडूंगा मत दूर से लिए तो अच्छा रहता है।
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Johar Johar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Johar Johar. Save democracy. Save constitution. Save democracy. Save constitution. Save democracy. Save constitution. Save democracy. Save constitution. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. वोट चोरी बंद करो, वोट चोरी बंद करो, बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर, करो वोट चोरी बंद करो, बंद करो। कमीशन डाउन डाउन, इलेक्शन कमीशन डाउन डाउन, इलेक्शन कमीशन डाउन डाउन। We want justice, we want justice, we want save democracy, save constitution, save democracy, save constitution। वोट चोरी बंद करो, देश बचाओ।
வாக்குரிமையை திருடாதே, வாக்குரிமையை திருடாதே, வாக்குரிமையை திருடாதே, வாக்குரிமையை திருடாதே। நாடக படுகொலையை அனுமதியா, 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 அனுமதியா। மத்திய அரசே, மத்திய அரசே, மத்திய அரசே, மத்திய அரசே, மத்திய அரசே, பிஜேபி அரசே, மத்திய அரசே, பிஜேபி அரசே திருடாதே। அனுமதியோம், அனுமதியோம், அனுமதியோ, அனுமதியோ, அனுமதியோம், அனுமதியோம், அனுமதி। மோசடியை செய்யாதே, மோசடியை செய்யாதே, அனுமதியோம், அனுமதியோம்।
எல்லாரும் வச்சுட்டு மாவட்ட தலைவர் மட்டும் இல்லாம சரவணா போய்மா சரி ஐயா வாங்க
Andhra Pradesh Congress Party has taken up this candle march rally in protest of the vote chori. In the context of vote chor, Gaddi chor campaign, Congress Party has taken it upon itself to fight for this all over the nation. And in Andhra Pradesh, we are doing this today in the city of Vijayawada. Our question to EC again is the same that Mr. Rahul Gandhi posed. Why is the digital voter list not available? What about the CC footage? Why is it being destroyed? How can you give permission to register lakhs and even crores of new voters with false data? Today, Election Commission is not able to answer these questions, and it's a shame. Election Commission is acting as an agent to BJP party. It is the duty of Election Commission to safeguard democracy, to safeguard the Constitution. But today, Election Commission, like all other institutions, is in the hands of Mr. Modi. This is very evident that Election Commission is not talking on its own for itself, but it's talking what Mr. Modi wants it to say and functioning how Mr. Modi wants it to function. Also, Congress party brings to the notice of the nation that how lakhs of votes were removed from the Bihar electoral list and how Mr. Rahul Gandhi went and had lunch with 7 people who were supposedly dead. If the irregularities are so blatant, isn't it a shame for the democracy of India that this is being allowed by the government itself? It's a shame. We condemn this and once again demand answers from the EC and from the government, and also demand an inquiry be conducted at the highest level to make sure that those who are involved in this not only punished, but that these things will not take place again.
Ma'am, former CM Jagan Mohan Reddy have claimed that
Sure.
Rahul Gandhi,
Sir,
Revanth Reddy,
Jagmohan comments on Rahul Gandhi is
Patukondi.
What?